Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Cooking at home vitamin quince jam with cinnamon, a recipe. The colder it gets outside the window, the more you want to pamper yourself with a cup of hot tea or aromatic coffee with some kind of delicious treat, pie, cookies or a piece of cake. But many are afraid that such a momentary weakness will turn into several extra pounds for them on the scales. But we offer you an alternative that will be not only tastier than any jam, but no less useful. This jam is based on quince, which is rich in various medicinal substances. It includes glucose, fructose, malic and citric acid, iron, potassium, phosphorus and calcium salts. In addition, the fruits of this plant are rich in vitamins A, B, C and pp. The recipe in simplicity will surprise every housewife, because it will take you no more than an hour. For jam you will need 300 grams of quince, 15 milliliters of lemon juice, a quarter teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 100 grams of granulated sugar. Preparation. Step 1. Take a quince, thoroughly rinse it under cold running water from hairy cover, dust, dirt. Spread on paper towels to remove excess moisture. Step 2. Cut out the core of the quince with seeds. Cut the fruit into 4 pieces, and then into pieces up to 5 mm thick. Step 3. Pour the chopped quince into a saucepan, fill it with clean water. It should cover the fruit by about 1 to 1.5 centimeters. Step 4. Put the pot on the stove and wait for it to boil. After the water has boiled, reduce the heat and cook for 20-25 minutes, until the quince is soft. Step 5. Add lemon juice, sugar and ground cinnamon to the quince. Cook for about 20-25 minutes on low heat. Step 6. We wash and sterilize the jars over a steam bath or in the microwave. If your jam will not be stored for long, you can simply pour over the jars with boiling water and pour the cooled jam there. Step 7. If you want to close the jam for the winter, it should be poured hot into well-sterilized jars. Then close them with a preservation key, turn them upside down and cool under a woolen blanket. This will take several days. And then hide it in a cold room. There the jam can be stored for up to 1.5 years. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.